Yeah, could you say a few words about your company and yourself?
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Felix Kim, business manager here in DeepBrain AI, and we do synthesis technology covering video and audio, and we connect the conversation AI technology to our solutions. And very
Okay,
excited to be here.
okay, great. Let me watch the pitch video first, and then we're gonna have a Q&A session after.
Hello, Orange. This is Paris. By the way, I'm not a real person, but digital twin of the real one. This video was generated by synthesis technology of DeepBrain AI without any video equipment. Felix Kim, who is here today, will give you more details.
We grew up watching science fiction movies about artificial intelligence helps us, human being, solve problems and challenges. Today, I'm here to tell you it's no longer about the future, but the present with video synthesis of DeepBrain AI. I'm Felix Kim, Senior Business Developer at DeepBrain AI. DeepBrain AI is currently a Series B company with $54 million fund and approximately 100 employees so far. We believe that we are leading in conversational AI human technology, and so far we made $6.1 million of revenue last year, supplying our solutions to various industries such as retail, finance, edtech, media, healthcare, and etc. So what we do is we simply create AI human avatars out of real people's data. We study their appearance, voice, accent, and behavioral movements, and we create their digital twins that express the same as their real ones do. Now the question is what we can do with it. We DeepBrain AI offer two solutions: AI Studios, presenter-based service, and Conversation AI Humans, customer engagement-based service. AI Studios allows you to create a lot of video content easily and quickly without spending so many resources as traditional video creation requires. And Conversation AI Humans enable enterprises engage their customers in more efficient and human way. Now, let's get started from AI Studio's video synthesis platform. We started our session watching a video of a synthesized digital twin of Paris. It took me less than 1 minute to create such video. All you need to do is simply typing in any script you want on AI Studios, and then it will generate a video of AI avatar that will say whatever you input. If you think about the traditional way of video production, you are required to have a studio, camera, lights, microphone, and you need to hire a speaker and a team to run a system, and a lot of consumption in time to edit video. So you need to have a high budget, also lots of effort and time to create a video content. However, with AI Studios, all you need to do is typing in your script, then you can not only avoid too much resource investment, but also make as many videos as you want within a short period of time. You can think of how much visibility you can improve in the market with all the video contents you can create easily with AI Studios. Now, once you create a digital twin of one of your ambassadors who can represent Orange, then you will move that avatar to AI Studios platform. There, you can create a bunch of video contents, not only for marketing purposes, but also for your internal market materials, such as corporate training. As you can imagine, big organizations with numbers of employees like Orange need to provide employees continuous training for them to stay up to date. Making training video or materials for every single department takes too much man-hour, which AI Studios can help you lessen the burden of. We've supplied our solutions to various industries in need of video content creation, and broadcasting and media are one of the great examples. So one of the biggest broadcasting companies in Korea, called MBN and Beijing TV from China, have been delivering their breaking news and programs on various platforms using our AI studios without further investment.
AI 앵커가 전하는 오늘의 주요 뉴스입니다. 정기국회 마지막 날인 오늘 여당은 공수처법과 경제
They're actively using AI studios, and it enables them to become the most visible and influent in their industry. Now, let's move on to our next solution, Conversation AI Human. Our AI humans can be utilized in various environments such as mobile application, website, or hardware integrated solution like kiosk. Your customers simply speak to an AI human avatar in real time.
Are you a citizen or a registered resident?
Yes, I'm a registered resident.
Are you interested in checking or savings account?
Second account, please.
Would you like a single or a joint account?
Single account.
Many enterprises have implemented various solutions to engage their customers more efficiently, such as chatbot or kiosk. However, the problem is customers don't really feel like they are interacting with those enterprises because exchanging words through chatbot or pushing buttons on kiosk are not a way that we do to communicate. The real interaction is speaking, looking, and listening each other like what we are doing right now. By putting a realistic human look avatars in between, you can humanize your digital customer engagement. We can build NLP chatbot, or if you already have chatbot system, we can simply plug your chatbot to our AI human solution. And now your digital twin can deliver message or information as you designed the dialogue flow. It can be on your mobile application service or located on each of your stores to provide better quality of service. At the end, your customers who have struggled from adopting your digital transformation also can benefit from your AI human avatars. This is to improve not only efficiency, but also your customer experience, which has been valued the most in recent business stream. One of the use case we have is 7-Eleven. They recently released a few unmanned stores and an AI human avatars that DeepBrain AI created for them have been assisting visitors whenever they have a question on site. So as a conclusion, once you create a digital twin of your representatives, you can solve the burden of video content creation and furthermore, humanize your digital customer engagement. Thank you.
Thank you, Felix. I believe you experienced some stopping the video in the middle, but the traffic condition of the open platforms. Someone experienced some difficulties in joining the event. Are there any questions from the audience, online and offline? Let me ask one.
From our side.
Okay, great.
Thank you. So with the digital twins that you have, it looks that mostly they're being deployed in kind of the guidance or the chat bots that you would say, but in a visual way. Are you doing anything or have any plans to put these digital twins into the metaverse in holographic games or anything along those lines?
Right. Thank you very much for the question. Well, actually, we get those questions very often recently, since the metaverse is a very big industry as well. However, at this moment, we are covering like realistic AI avatar because from our experience, because the metaverse is more about the 3D graphic based avatar, but we are working on the realistic avatars. The reason being is when customers engaging with those avatar, the 3D computer graphic would be a little more like a game and like a less realistic, but while we're delivering the message through the digital twin of existing person or people. But in the future, we are developing our technology toward the metaverse, and it's also part of our roadmap.
One question: are you a real person or avatar?
Oh, I don't know. You tell me. Well, actually, I also created the avatar version of myself, except my image, but I utilize it very often for marketing purposes. Whenever I have content to upload, I simply utilize AI Studios and make a lot of video content and utilize it on materials as materials.
Other question is, what is the comparative advantage of your technology?
Well, as I said, we use this phrase very often. We humanize your digital customer engagement because a lot these days, especially after pandemic, lots of companies are utilizing or implementing AI or new advanced technology. But the problem is still like customers are struggling from adopting those technology because what we need actually is real interaction or communication. So compared to other solutions or competitors who deliver similar products but more likely 3D graphic based avatars, but our avatars are more realistic and it's actually a digital twin of any existing people. So you can be you can create your own digital avatar or you can create a digital avatar of any celebrities or existing people. So we try to help both side, enterprise and customer, for their communication.